Good morning, kids. Good morning, kids. How are you all? I hope you all are doing well. Namaskar, kids. Now today we are going to start our session with prayer. Namaskar, beta. Join your hands close now. Mute yourself, everyone. Join your hands close now. Now start with prayer. Om Bhurvuvasvaha Tatsamitum Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yo Prachodayam. Om Bhurvuvasvaha Tatsamitum Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yo Prachodayam. Now open your eyes, please. Now please. About date, and month. Okay. So who is telling me about this month? Who is telling me about this month theme? इस मंथ की थीम क्या है? Who is tell me? Festival, food and clothes. Yes. So please, DIY day. Which day is today? WEDNESDAY. Wednesday. Which day is today? Wednesday. And DATE date. Which date is today? 30th October 2021. Right. Now today's thought of the day: life is a festival only twice. Life is a festival only twice. फेस्टिवल हमें क्या सिखाता है कि हमें हर एक दिन हमें हैप्पीनेस से जीना चाहिए। फेस्टिवल में हम जैसे हैप्पी रहते हैं तो हमें पूरी लाइफ में जैसे फेस्टिवल हम सेलिब्रेट करें तो हमें अपनी लाइफ भी ऐसे एवरी डे हमें अपनी जो समझदार लोग होते हैं वो एवरी डे अपना डेज है वो जो फेस्टिवल की तरह ही सेलिब्रेट करते हैं। राइट। हैप्पी रहते हैं, सबको प्यार करते हैं, पोलाइटली बात करते हैं, शेयरिंग करते हैं। राइट। नाउ टुडेज क्लास वर्क इज Friday, Saturday and Sunday in the notebook, and homework is page number 10 in worksheet, half page. Right. Now today we will discuss about day of the week. Kids, what is the first day of the week? First day of the week. Okay, what is the spelling of Monday? MONDAY. Anshi, पूरा mute yourself. MONDAY, Monday is the first day of the week. Right? Now our second day, what is the second day of the week? Tuesday. What is the spelling of Tuesday? Tuesday. Tuesday is the second day of the week. Now what is the third day of the week? Wednesday. What is the spelling of Wednesday? WEDNESDAY. 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 First day is the Monday. Second day is the Tuesday. Third day is the Wednesday. Now fourth day. What is the fourth day of the week? Thursday. Okay. THURS Thursday. Thursday. Now, what is the fifth day of the week?
Friday.
Fifth day. कौन सा होता है fifth day? What is the spelling of Friday? Friday is the fifth day of the week. Now, what is the sixth day of the week?
Saturday.
Okay, what is the spelling of Saturday? S-A-T-U-R-D-A-Y, Saturday. S-A-T-U-R-D-A-Y, Saturday. Now, kids, what is the seventh day of the week?
Sunday.
Sunday is the fun day. है ना? S-U-N-D-A-Y, Sunday. Now, kids, our question is how many days in a 1 week? How many days in a 1 week? 1 week में कितने days होते हैं?
7.
How many days in a 1 week? 7 days. 7 days, right? Now, kids, now tell me which day is today? Which day is today? आज कौन सा डे है? No, today is Wednesday. Today is okay. Today is Wednesday. Now, kids, now tell me yesterday was? कल कौन सा डे था? Today is Wednesday. Then yesterday was? हाँ जी. Yes, Tuesday.
આને ખવાય જાય ને પછી આવું હોય તો આને હમણાં બ્રેક આવશે.
Yesterday was some like this. Today is Wednesday. Then yesterday was Tuesday. And then tomorrow will? आज Wednesday है तो कल कौन सा डे है? Tomorrow? Tomorrow, Thursday, right? Today is Wednesday. Then yesterday was, कल कौन सा डे था? Yesterday was Tuesday, right? And then tomorrow will Thursday. आज Wednesday है, कल कौन सा डे था? Tuesday. और अब कौन सा डे आने वाला है? Thursday. कल आप स्कूल आओगे ना, तो कौन सा डे होगा? Thursday. How many days in a 1 week? How many days in a 1 week? 7 days. How many days in a 1 week? 7 days, right? Now, kids, tell me, what is the 6th day of the week? What is the 6th day of the week? Okay, Saturday is the 6th day of the week, right? Now, what is the last day of the week? What is the last day of the week? What is the last day of the week? Sunday, right? And what is the first day of the week? What is the first day of the week? हाँ जी. Monday is the first day of the week and Sunday is the last day of the week, right? And what is the fourth day of the week? What is the fourth day of the week?
Thursday.
Oh, Thursday is the fourth day of the week, right? Now we will start our classwork. So first I will take your attendance. Agam, Anshi, present. Aradhya, present. Ahani, present. Dhruti, present. Dhyani, present. Ankit, present. Ishan, present. Jia Sarodia, Jia is present or not?
No, ma'am.
Okay, Jansu, present. Next one, Amalangi, present. Viva, Viva is present. No. Saritra, present. Pura, present. Kanchi, present. Riva, Riva, present. Present. Vaishnavi, present. Riyan, present. Okay, kids, now, yesterday what did in class work? Yesterday what did in class work? Agam, present.
Ma'am, Riyan present.
पूरा अब अनम्यूट मत होना बेटा, बहुत आवाज आ रही है।
मैम म्यूट ही है तो भी आवाज आ रही है आपको।
Yesterday what did in class work kids? कल मैम ने आपको क्लास वर्क में क्या करवाया था?
मैम
And show me your homework. Please show me your homework. Take out a worksheet and please show me your page number 9. Do fast everyone. And read it for 4-line book, GK 4-line book, okay? For today's class work. Take out your homework and show me your homework, please. Okay, Harshit, done. Now take out a 4-line book, GK 4-line book, please.
मैम देखो।
ओके ओके जानसू डन। आज आपको 10 नंबर का पेज फुल पेज है ना होमवर्क में। यस्टरडे व्हाट इन क्लास वर्क? वेडनेसडे एंड थर्सडे, राइट? नाउ टुडे वी विल डू फ्राइडे, सैटरडे एंड संडे। So first we will write here class work and mention date. Which date is it? 13 October 2020.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Haji, ma'am. Yes, Vian. Good. Okay, done, Vian. कल मैं आप सबकी वर्कशीट चेक करूंगी, है ना? कल स्कूल आओगे तो वर्कशीट भी लेके आना, मैं चेक करूंगी सबकी वर्कशीट। वर्कशीट एंड नोटबुक बोथ लेके आना है, ओके? डू यू अंडरस्टैंड एवरीवन? सो प्लीज होमवर्क डन करके आना। क्लास वर्क एंड मेंशन डेट, देन आई विल राइट हियर Thursday after Friday, Friday. Friday is the 5th day. Friday is the 5th day of the week. Friday, Friday. Friday is the 5th day of the week. Friday, Friday. How to read spelling of Friday? Friday. F-R-I, Friday. Friday. F-R-I-D-A-Y. Friday is the 5th day of the week. F-R-I-D-A-Y. Friday. Can you do with me? F-R-I-D-A-Y. Friday. F-R-I-D-A-Y. Friday. 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 Done, kids? Friday spelling is done, kids?
Yes, ma'am. No, ma'am. Yes. No, ma'am.
Friday is the 5th day of the week.
No, ma'am.
Friday. Friday. Okay, repeat. Now our 6th day of the week, Saturday. S-A-T-U-R-D-A-Y, Saturday. S-A-T-U-R-D-A-Y, Saturday. See, this is our caterpillar, see. S-A-T-U-R-D-A-Y, Saturday. S-A-T-U-R-D-A-Y, Saturday. Saturday, Saturday. Saturday, Saturday. Saturday. Saturday is the 6th day of the week. Saturday, Saturday. Harshit, your work is done, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, beta. Saturday, Saturday. Now kids, turn your page. Friday and Saturday is done. Now we will take last day of the week. 7th day is the last day of the week. Sunday. 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 Sunday is the last day of the week. Sunday is the fun day. Sunday. Sunday. Tomorrow I will check your worksheet, so please.
Yes, ma'am.
Done your homework today's and yesterday was. Sunday is the last day of the week. Yes, very good. Read and write. Sunday. Riva done? Sunday. Riva? Sunday. Sunday is the last day of the week. Sunday is the 7th day. So kids, this is our today's classwork, and today's homework is page number 10. Full page, right? In your homework page. Okay, kids, this is our classwork and today's homework is page number 10. फुल पेज करना है और कल लेके आना है वर्कशीट, तो मैम चेक करके देंगे आपको. ओके, वर्कशीट एंड नोटबुक्स बोथ.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, kids. So bye. Take care. Have a nice day. And see you tomorrow. कल आप स्कूल आओगे ना सब? Okay.
Yes.
So नमस्कार.
Bye.
Bye.
Namaskar.
Have a nice day. See you tomorrow. See you tomorrow, kids.
Bye bye. Namaskar. Good day.
Okay. Bye bye, kids.